Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show an overview of the latest version of Haiku, and some of the applications pre-installed. Haiku is an open source operating system, currently in development, that specifically targets personal computing. Inspired by the BeOS operating system, Haiku aims to become a fast, efficient, simple to use, easy to learn and yet very powerful system for computer users of all levels. The key highlights that distinguish Haiku from other operating systems include: specific focus on personal computing, custom kernel designed for responsiveness, fully threaded design for great efficiency with multiprocessor/core CPUs, rich object-oriented API for faster development, database-like file system with support for indexed metadata, and unified, cohesive interface. Haiku is compatible with the now discontinued BeOS. Its development began in 2001, and the operating system became self-hosting in 2008. Haiku is supported by Haiku Incorporated, a non-profit organization based in Rochester, New York, United States, founded in 2003 by former project leader Michael Phipps. Haiku began as the Open BeOS project in 2001, the same year that Be Incorporated was bought by Palm Incorporated and BeOS development was discontinued. The focus of the project was to support the BeOS user community by creating an open-source, backward-compatible replacement for BeOS. The first project by OpenBeOS was a community-created stopgap update for BeOS 5.0.3 in 2002. As of September 2013, Haiku includes a package management system called Haiku Depot, enabling software to be compiled into dependency tracking compressed packages. The Haiku package management system performs dependency solving with libsolve from the OpenSUSE project. Haiku was first released on 2002. Haiku uses a launch daemon as is in its software and supports the BFS file system. For package management, Haiku uses pkgman. Here you can see the commands to install software from the command line using the pkgman package manager. Haiku includes the version Rev 55181 of the Haiku kernel. Some of the default applications of this release of Haiku are BPDF, Mail, Media Player, Purman, a lightweight web server, Vision IRC client, and WebPositive, a Haiku's native web browser. Let me know your thoughts about Haiku in the comments section below. Thank you for watching the video, and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.